Welcome to Midnight Signal AI. It's February 27th, 2026. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jamie. Tonight, we're bringing you the most urgent AI views from the last 24 hours. No hype, no fluff, just what matters.
Let's kick off with a story straight from Hacker News and plinklogic. How are we physically caging autonomous AI? The article breaks down real-world architectures for AI kill switches, hardware and software failsafes that let humans shut down runaway systems. It's not just theory anymore. The post discusses redundant relays, isolated compute, and even air-gapped controls, all designed to guarantee a human can pull the plug. With autonomous agents pushing into robotics and critical infrastructure, these measures are moving from sci-fi to standard engineering. If you want a deep dive, check out plinklogic.tech.
Next up, the U.S. government is in the spotlight. Multiple sources, NBC News, CBS News, and the Wall Street Journal, report that former President Trump has ordered federal agencies to halt all use of Anthropic's AI models. This is a big move, considering Anthropic's Claude models are widely used for text analysis and productivity. The order reportedly cites concerns about data privacy and supplier trust. The ripple effect? Federal contractors and agencies will need to audit their AI stacks and possibly switch providers fast. For more, see coverage on NBCnews.com, CBSNews.com, and WSJ.com.
Compliance is the next battleground for AI, especially with the Colorado AI Act coming into force this June. On Hacker News, Jeremy Tweet showcased an open-source MCP server that helps AI agents access essential compliance documentation, risk policies, bias tests, consumer notifications, and more. It's a direct response to the high cost of GRC platforms and legal consulting, which can run into 5 or 6 figures. The server outputs both human-readable PDFs and structured JSON, so both regulators and AIs can get what they need. You can check out the project on GitHub at jeremytweet/AOP MCP server.
Switching gears, on phys.org, the Southern California Air Board has rejected a pollution rule after receiving a flood of AI-generated public comments. This is a real-world flashpoint for AI's impact on democracy. The board reportedly struggled to distinguish genuine public input from automated submissions. The end result? Regulatory paralysis, as agencies try to adapt to the new scale and noise of AI-augmented civic engagement. Find the full story at phys.org.
Let's talk about breakthroughs. On GoPubby's AI blog, there's a fascinating piece, and AI broke the ARC-AGI-2 benchmark, hitting 84%. But here's the twist. The key method came from 1972. The solution combines modern neural networks with classic symbolic reasoning. That's right, old-school logic, back in the AI spotlight. This hybrid approach could point the way towards more robust, less brittle intelligence, and it's a reminder that progress often means rediscovering the past. Read more on ai.gopubby.com.
A quick product rundown. Vydcut, featured on Hacker News, is calling itself the Blinkist for YouTube. It uses AI to generate video summaries in 15 languages. If you're drowning in content, this could help you keep up without watching hours of video. Try it at vydcut.com.
Let's not forget developers. AgentGuard, also on Hacker News, is an open-source quality assurance engine that sits between AI coding agents and the language models they use. It enforces a generation pipeline, starting from project skeletons, then contracts, then wiring, and finally logic. Each step is validated for syntax, imports, types, and more. The goal? Catch hallucinated code before a human even sees it. Check out the code at rlabsclash/agentguard-lib on GitHub.
A different kind of security. Zora Agent is a local AI agent designed so it can't be hijacked mid-task by context compaction. In plain English, it means the agent won't forget critical instructions or allow attackers to manipulate its memory window. The project is open source and aims to give users more confidence in running AI locally. Details are on github.com/ryacker/Sora.
We'll end with something lighter. A teacher had 80 kindergartners and first graders prompted an AI to build a game. The result? Creative chaos, but also a glimpse at how the next generation will treat AI as just another tool in their creative toolbox. The experiment is documented at serene-licorice-4b5e6.netlify.app.
That's it for tonight's Midnight Signal AI. If you found this roundup useful, hit subscribe and check our episode notes for all the links. Stay sharp, stay informed, and we'll see you tomorrow night.
Good night, everyone.